till just being dirty. The steam will Hello guys, so in this video we are going to be reviewing the Comforday steamer cleaner, which you can see is I have placed all the items which come included in the package. So it contains an attachment which you can use and move it around because it's flexible, and the other item it contains is a straight pipe, which if you want to clean some windows or something, it will be really helpful. And all these attachments can be used interchangeably as well. That was a difficult one to pronounce, so this is probably the most useful, which you can attach and use a microfiber cloth like this, which comes included in the package, or some other, and use to clean your sofas or any seatings in your cars or some other places. And this is quite a stick brush, and as you can see I have used it extensively to clean some thing. And this is an adjustment to put steam in some place where you can't reach. And another attachment, as you can see here, this is for cleaning glass windows, and it has some rubber material here which you can attach with this and use steam which will come out from these holes and clean your windows without ever using any other cloths or something. And this is the plastic container which contains the level 175 and 75. So basically you can't put more than 250 ml inside of this, and it also comes with a nice funnel. So let's try it out on different things and see how it works. Here it contains a light which shows that the steamer is currently on and working, and whenever it is ready to use, this light turns off automatically. And here you have to press this forward so that the steam comes out. So let's check it out on various things and how it works. So guys, here I have my white Snickers, which don't look so dirty on the camera, but in reality, if you look at it, they are turning brown from everywhere and they don't look clean, especially from this side. And I have filled this up with water, as you can see, as per the container, 175 plus 75, and I've let it run for a while, and the light is off now, so I can just press this and start steaming. So first I need to get some water out before you start, as you can see. And I'm just going to start by cleaning the inside of the shoes. So if there are any odors from the shoes being dirty, the steam will help to kill them. So the harder you press, it will release more steam. For example, I'm pressing slowly, so it's not releasing that much steam. Be careful, it's very hot and you have to make sure that you keep your distance from it. So I'm just going to steam the entire shoe to see if it can help. Let's just bring it. You can see clearly it's dislodging, and the light is on as well, which means it's making steam. Okay, let me just use a microfiber and rub it. You can see that it's clearly better than before. So with this steamer you can really clean your shoes if you're in a hurry, and as you can see the difference from this side and this side, clearly it shows a difference. And if I were to clean the entire shoe, it wouldn't take me longer than 5 minutes. So let's just try this one out. So to install any attachments, all you have to do is face them correctly and move it anti-clockwise with some inward pressure, and you can see that the lines will line up properly and your steamer will be attached. So let's just attach the microfiber cloth with elastic that came inside the box for this, and you can see that all you have to do, steam will come out of it. So you can use it to clean any material surface. You can use it to clean your sofas, and Before dealing with this, I recommend that you use some detergent on the sofas or any other seating cushion, and use a microfiber to just remove some of the steam so that it does not get leave. So I've removed the attachment, and as you can see that the microfiber cloth has really picked up some dirt from the mat and absorbed it